So what is GitHub? So this is a beginner's guide. So first type up GitHub and then click on the first link. So what is GitHub? If you've ever wondered how developers collaborate on projects or fix bugs or even launch startups, GitHub is where it all happens. But it's not just for developers. These days, every company is a software company. So let me show you why GitHub is a game changer. GitHub is the world's largest software development platform, and it's where developers, students, and businesses collaborate on projects, store code, and build the future of the technology. From small projects to massive global businesses, even NASA uses GitHub to send code to Mars. How does it work? So basically, every GitHub project has their own repository. That's where the main code lives. And developers can create their own branches, like alternative versions of the project, where they can test new ideas, fix bugs, or add features without affecting the original code. And then GitHub isn't just for coding. It's packed with security features like automatic vulnerability detection and secret scanning to keep projects safe. It also has a new powerful tool like AI-enhanced code editing, automation, and continuous integration to make development faster and smoother. So who uses GitHub? Students learning the code, startups launching new ideas, companies managing massive software projects. Even a team of 21,000 people have used GitHub to work together to take the first picture of a black hole. So that's pretty cool. Now on the left side, you have a bunch of stuff. As you can see, you have home, issues, pull requests, projects, discussions, code pages, Copilot. Copilot is your AI feature. And then on the home, you can ask it stuff, and there's even an introduction to GitHub if you want to go through it, like repository, pull requests, forking. So GitHub is a place for everyone, from anywhere to build anything. So if you're ready to start your coding journey or just want to collaborate on some amazing projects, GitHub is a perfect place to begin. It's trusted, everyone uses it. Comment below what projects you were working on, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.